In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Read Messages feature on an iPhone. If you don't want people to be notified when you have read their messages, I'm gonna show you how you can easily turn off that feature. Just be sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off head over to settings and then scroll down until you find messages. After that, scroll down again, and that's where you can easily find the option which is called Send Read Receipts. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all the conversations. So if you would like to turn off that feature for all the conversations, all you have to do is just turn this off. However, if you would like to turn off read receipts just for particular conversations, you need to head over to Messages, then open up a conversation. Tap at the very top at your contact's name here, and then if you scroll down a bit, you can easily find Send Read Receipts, and if you would like to turn it off just for one particular contact, you can easily do so by turning off that switcher. That's basically all about how to turn off read messages on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.